Skipland, Skipland. Who wants to be famous on YouTube today before I turn this radio off?
Come on, we all want to be famous. Oh, Alabama skip shooter with a wave getting on down.
Haha, that's gonna do it there, Alabama skip shooter. I've been playing with this Cobra 2000 for a week now. I'm getting ready to unplug it and put a different radio and play around, and just thought I'd make one last video before I unplug it.
Alright, no doubt about it. You done woke the whole world up. You better make a new one. Alabama skip shooter in the big band getting on down.
Alright there, Alabama skip shooter. Probably be about 20 minutes from now, I'll have this video on YouTube, and you can just search for Alabama skip shooter. Just do a search on YouTube for Alabama skip shooter, and you'll get to hear what you sound like out here in this California desert.
Alright, yeah. You know, I always want to know what I sound like every once in a while. You have a super phone? I got some old Watergates on there for sure. Alabama skip shooter getting on down.
Alright, Alabama skip shooter, be a nice clean video. White trash radio on this end. White trash radio in the California desert saying have a good day.